This is Mr. Teddy Bear. And he's gonna read a magazine from here. This time, we'll do it right. I created all this. Oh, well, that's just a piece of junk. Mr. Teddy Bear had to go. No, not the trash can. No! And then he jumped over, and he bounced like a bunny. And then he sat on Rapunzel's head. She said, "I don't like you," Teddy Bear said. And that's what she said. And they keep bouncing. And then she had to turn red.
I'm gonna make you go on fire now.
And she says she's gonna make him go to fire. So he had to rip his butt. So look what you did.
Look what you did.
And he said he was gonna fix it.
You good Teddy Bear, don't you?
And then he turned in mad. And then he started to run away, bouncing away. And then he had to slap everything. And then he had been mad, and someone slapped him. Thanks for watching.
The end. That's all.
Okay. Ready, set. People are laughing at you, some. Say yay for mom. Ooh, the black girl is mad. She doesn't want to be our friend anymore. Let's look at her face. She's gonna turn mad in a minute.
Give it to me.